I think looking generally across the organization at the sales teams, there's certain things where it's allowed a certain level of automation, which has actually taken away a lot of work. So for example, we have an automated lead distribution system. A lead comes in from our external marketing, hits Sugar, then follows the journey and basically gets pinged directly at our sales team. It sounds like something that most CRM systems do, and it's so simple. But the flexibility of Sugar meant that we could also add in processes. So we've got leads going across to the distributors, but we want to check those leads. We want to filter them out and ensure that they're suitable to send on. In terms of just that one simple process, it saved a huge amount of time. And I think as the business has grown and we've actually brought in more leads, if we hadn't dealt with that, it would have become, you almost need a team just to do that exercise.